Hi, my name is Camila and I'm with Stay Charged. Thank you for renting a vehicle from us. We really appreciate it. This is a tutorial on how to use the 2022 Ford Mustang Mach-E fully electric vehicle.
This is your key. This unlocks, locks, opens the trunk, or sounds the alarm of the vehicle. This button turns the car on. Adjust the driver's seat with these buttons on the side. The side view mirrors can be adjusted with these buttons on your door. The one on the left selects the left mirror as so, and the one on the right selects the right mirror. Let's shift into drive and go. This is your cruise control. This is how you set your speeds for cruise control, and this is your collision assist and your lane assist. The buttons on your right will be your radio buttons. Let's reverse. This is your parking assist and your backup camera. This button turns your hazards on, and this activates your parking brake. On the dashboard is your range and your battery percentage, your one-pedal drive, and the sensors of the car and your gear display. This is the tablet. The volume is controlled by the center knob, and your menu opens at this center button. This is where you find your radio options. You can also connect devices via Bluetooth or use Sirius XM. If you need to change your AC settings, that is also on the screen. At the top left, this car icon opens up settings. With drive modes, you can change how the car feels to the driver. Whisper mode is a true EV drive. Engage interacts a bit more like a fast response hybrid or traditional SUV. Unbridled gives the vehicle a sports car level pickup. Here is one pedal drive and the propulsion sound. This is a charging pad. Take off your phone cover, lay your phone flat, and you're set. There's also a USB or C cable port. In the center console, we also have a compartment. Just lift the arms rest and slide open. There's also a 12-volt car plug port. Above the rearview mirror, you'll find some dome lights. You can turn one on at a time or both on and off with this button. The door handle resembles a latch, so pull the latch back and pull open. The trunk is pretty spacious, but should you need more space, the seats can be laid down flat. There's a latch at the top corner. Just pull and lay down. To the left of the brakes, there's a lever. Pull twice to open the frunk. Basically, it is set up as a tailgate, cooler, or storage. Pull down to close gently and push down until you hear a click.
I'll be showing you guys how to charge the 2022 Ford Mustang Mach-E. First, you open the cap, and then we go to our charger. Ready? We plug it in. And there you go.